The summation of second and sixth terms of an AP of an increasing GPF is 25 by 2, and the product of third and fifth term is 25. Then summation of fourth, sixth and eighth term is what here? So they give a summation of second and sixth term here. Therefore, second term is given by AR and sixth term is AR into 5 is equal to 25 by 2. They are already given here. Here E into R is the common bit. Here E into R common factor here. Then 1 plus R into 4 here. 1 plus R into 4 is equal to 25 divided by 2 here. Take this one as equation number 1 here. And the given product of third and fifth term here. Third term is AR square. And the fifth term is AR into 4 here. Its product is 25. They are already given here. Okay. Therefore, E into A becomes A square. R square into R into 4 becomes R into 6 is equal to 25. Or you can write R cube is equal to 5. Take this one as equation number 2. Then dividing 1 by 2 means 1 divided by 2. Dividing 1 by 2. Therefore, A and A cancels here. R and R cancels. Remaining is R square. 1 plus R is to 4. 1 plus R is to 4 divided by R square is equal to, here this upon this here. 5 ones are 5 plus cancels here. So 5 divided by 2 here. Then cross multiply. 2 into R is to 4 becomes 2 R is to 4. Then 2 into 1 becomes 2 here. Then R into R square into 5 becomes 5 R square. Take this one this side here. 2 R into 4 minus of 5 R square plus 2 is equal to 0. Two numbers are minus 4 and plus 1 here. 2 R into 4 minus of 4 R square minus R square plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 R square common factor here. Therefore, R square minus of 2 minus 1 is the common factor here. R square minus 2 is equal to 0 here. So, R square minus 2 into 2R square minus 1 is equal to 0. So, R square is equal to 2 or R square is equal to 1 divided by 2 here. So, but R square is equal to 1 by 2 is not possible. Because here they given it is increasing GPF. If it is increasing the GP, if you take R square 1 by 2, then it becomes decreasing GPF. So it is not possible. So R square is equal to 2 is the correct here. R square 2 is correct here. Then summation of 4th, 6th and 8th term. Therefore, so T4 plus T6 plus T8 is equal to, so 4th term is AR cube, 6th term AR into 5 and 8th term AR into 7. Therefore, this is equal to AR into 3, keep as it is here. From these two, AR into cube common here, AR square, AR cube common here. Then remaining is R square plus R into 4 here, R into 4. Therefore, this is equal to, AR cube here. AR cube is equal to 5. So, write here 5 plus again AR cube is a 5 and r square is a 2. So r square is a 2 plus r into 4 becomes a 4 here. 4 plus 2 6 6 by is a 30 here. 30 plus 5 becomes 35. So second option is 30, 35. So minus 16 8 minus 4 2 is the sequence here. The sequence is in the GPS. Therefore, in this case, pth term here. Tp is equal to a is the first term here minus 16. R is this upon this here. Okay, here a is equal to minus 16. R means this upon this here. 8 divided by minus 16. It is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, minus 1 upon 2 raised to p minus 1 here. And the qth term tq is equal to minus 16 into minus of 1 by 2 raised to q minus of 1 here. Okay, so you are using the formula a r raised to n minus of 1 here. T of n. T of n is equal to r raised to n minus 1. You are using that formula. Tp is this here, tq is this one. And here they given arithmetic mean and geometric mean of pth and qth terms are the roots of this equation here. So geometric arithmetic mean here. Arithmetic mean of Tp and Tq is equal to Tp plus Tq divided by 2. And geometric mean of pth and qth term here. Pth and qth term is given by root of Tp into Tq here. But they given here arithmetic mean and geometric mean of pth and qth terms are the roots of this equation here. Roots of this equation. We know that suppose ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation here. Then if alpha and beta are roots here, then you know that sum of the roots is minus b upon a and the product of the roots is c divided by a. We are using this result here. Therefore, arithmetic mean plus geometric mean is equal to minus of minus 9 by 4 here. Minus of minus 9 divided by 4 here. We are using this result here. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Arithmetic mean plus geometric mean is this one here. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. So it is 9 divided by 4 here. Then arithmetic mean into geometric mean is equal to 5 by 4 here. It is 5 divided by 4. Okay, we are using this one alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Then here 9 upon 4 can be split as 5 by 4 plus 1 here. 5 by 4 plus 1. Therefore 9 by 4 can be written as 5 by 4 plus 1 here. Then obviously 5 by 4 into 1. Suppose arithmetic mean is of 5 by 4. Geometric mean is 1. So 5 by 4 into 1 becomes of 5 by 4 here. Therefore arithmetic mean is equal to arithmetic mean here is equal to 5 by 4 and geometric mean is equal to 1 here. Okay. Then obviously arithmetic mean value 5 by 4, geometric mean value is 1 here. This equation also satisfied here. 5 by 4 into 1 becomes 5 by 4 only. Then geometric mean formula, geometric mean is this here. Therefore, root of Tp into Tq, Tp into Tq is equal to 1 year. Squaring on both the sides here. Squaring on both the sides. So we get the TP into TQ is equal to 1 year. TP is this here and the TQ is this one. Multiply it here. Minus 16, it's a square. And this into this becomes a minus of 1 upon 2 P plus Q minus 2. So P plus Q minus of 2 is equal to 1 year. Okay, it's a product. TP into TQ means minus 16 into minus 16, minus 16 square. Then this into this minus 1 by 2 raised to this plus this here. Therefore P plus Q minus 1 gives minus 2 equal to 1 year. Then minus 16 is there. You can write here minus 2 raised to 8 years. Minus 2 raised to 8. Because 16 means 2 raised to 4. 4 to the 8 years. So minus 2 raised to 8 years. Then take this term, that's it. Cross multiply. It gives a minus 2 raised to P plus Q minus of 2. Cross multiply, we get this here. So base are same here, equating the exponents here. 8 is equal to P plus Q minus of 2. Take minus to this side. 8 plus 2 is equal to P plus Q. Hence P plus Q is equal to 10. Even this is a numerical problem here. They are not giving any options here. This is a numerical problem here. Therefore P plus Q is equal to 10 is the answer. Yes.